New Claude Cowork update is insane. Anthropic just dropped something that could replace your charts, your dashboards, and maybe even the way you use Excel forever. Today I'm going to show you a brand new feature inside Claude that lets you build interactive visuals just by typing a sentence. Code, tools, setup. It's stupid easy. If you're trying to grow online and get more eyes on your brand, this changes everything. Buckle up. So let me break this down for you real quick. Claude Cowork is a workspace built by Anthropic. Think of it like an AI teammate that actually does the work. Not just answers your questions. It can access your files. It can run code. It can complete entire workflows from start to finish. It's basically like having a digital team member that never takes a break and never misses a deadline. Here's where it gets crazy. They just added something brand new. Interactive charts and diagrams right inside the chat. And I don't mean boring static images. I mean live, clickable, editable visuals that update in real time. You type one sentence and boom, full dashboard appears. You drag a slider and the whole thing changes instantly. This is not normal. And if you're someone who cares about SEO, content strategy, or growing your online presence, pay attention because this is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Let me show you what I mean. You're running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, and you want to see how your member growth has trended over the past 12 months. You just type something like, create an interactive chart showing AI Profit Boardroom member growth month by month for the last year. Claude builds it right there. Clean chart, inside the chat, no Excel, Google Sheets, no copy pasting data into some other tool. And here's something that SEO people are going to love. You want to visualize your entire keyword strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. You type something like, create an interactive diagram showing my top keyword clusters for AI automation, the search intent behind each cluster, and how they connect to my main pillar pages. Claude builds it. A visual map of your entire SEO content strategy. You can see which clusters are strong, which ones have gaps, and where you need to create more content. That used to take hours of spreadsheet work and expensive tools. Now it takes one prompt. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content but nobody's finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more customers finding you on Google, my team can help. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your brand. All right, let me keep going because there's more. Another use case that blew my mind. Say you want to plan out your content calendar for the AI Profit Boardroom. You want to see which topics perform best, which days get the most engagement, and where the gaps are. You type, build me an interactive content performance dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom showing topic categories, engagement scores, and posting frequency. Claude builds it. You can filter by topic. You can sort by engagement. You can spot patterns instantly. No Tableau. No complicated software. Just one prompt. And when you can see your content data visually like this, you make better decisions about what to create next. And that's how you win at SEO. You stop guessing and start seeing. And if you're serious about growing online, if you want more people finding you on Google, more leads coming in every single day, and more traffic without relying on social media algorithms, check out the link in the comments and description. My team at Goldie Agency specializes in AI-powered SEO, and we can help you rank higher, get more organic traffic, and grow faster. Check it out. Now, let me tell you why this is a bigger deal than most people realize. This is not just a feature update. This is a shift in what AI actually is. We went from AI that gives you answers to AI that builds you tools in real time. That's a completely different thing. Before, you asked a question and got text back. You ask a question and get a working dashboard, a live chart, or an interactive diagram. The AI is not just thinking anymore. It's building. And here's the part that gets me excited. Because Claude Cowork already runs full workflows, analyzes files, and executes multi-step tasks, now it can also explain the results visually.